Boom. How's everybody doing? It's Mr. Bonhomme. This time we're going to work on a two-step word problem. We've been building up our stamina, figuring out what we do first, then, and now what do we have? Of following that framework, of taking things step by step, of showing a strategy also to show our thinking and also put equations. Let's get into it. Two-step word problem. When I have a word problem, it is important that I use the 3-read protocol. I'm reading things 3 times. Always, at least 3 times. I'm going to read it once, this first time, and then think about what this story is about. A grocer packed 4 boxes of 7 oranges and 5 more oranges. How many oranges did the grocer pack in all? Seems very easy. So there's a grocer, somebody who works at a grocery store, and they were packing oranges, boxes of oranges. Cool. I'm going to read it one more time. A grocer, before I read it for the second time, did you notice how that first time I summarized it without using any details? No numbers, but you still knew what the story was about. I didn't include any numbers. Didn't want anybody to worry about the numbers yet. We just know that this grocer is has boxes of oranges. Then he gets some more oranges. That's what we know. Second read. A grocer packed 4 boxes of 7 oranges and 5 more oranges. How many oranges did the grocer pack in all? This time, what are we trying to figure out? What are you trying to figure out? Make sure you have your sentence stem to start it out. Pause the video and write a sentence to answer this question. How many oranges did the grocer pack in all? Resume the video once you wrote your sentence stem to help us figure out what we're trying to solve. Alright, hopefully you were being honest and you paused the video and gave it a try. But if the question is, how many oranges did the grocer pack in all? The way I would respond to that is the grocer packed blank in all. Now, I wonder what that blank is. How many oranges did the grocer pack in all? The grocer packed blank oranges. That's what we're talking about. Those are the units. So cool. The only thing left is the quantity. Let's read this for a third time now. A third time. And I think we might be ready. A grocer packed 4 boxes of 7 oranges and 5 more oranges. How many oranges did the grocer pack in all? Let's get busy. I think I know what to do. So this grocer had 4 boxes of 7 oranges. I think one of the most efficient strategies is using a tape diagram. So I'm going to draw 4 parts. How many would I put in each? 7. I'm going to put 7 oranges. Let me make sure I write an equation to match this. 4 equal parts of 7. 4 equal parts of 7. Ooh, 4 times 7. And let me figure out what that is. 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus another 7. 21. 21 plus another 7. 28. So that means 28 oranges in the boxes. Oranges in boxes. So that's first what happens. Then he had 5 more oranges. I wonder what type of operation and what type of math I'm going to use now. If then he had 5 more oranges. Cool. 28. Then he had 5 more. That means we just add 5. So 28 plus 5 equals, and I'll put n. This is an equation to help me find out the final answer. 28 plus 5 equals n. I could turn this into a 2 and a 3. 28 plus 2 equals 30. Cross this out, cross this out. 30 plus 3 equals 33. So n would be 33. That means over here, the grocer packed 33 oranges in all. We first use multiplication as our first operation, and our second operation was addition. I'm glad that you pulled through, and hopefully you got the same answer. This is Mr. Bonhomme. We did a 2-step word problem. First, then, now. Excellent job. Give yourself a pat on the back, and I'll see you next time.